Hey folks, this is Bailey from Dank Wargaming, and we're here at Got Game today for the Masters Tournament. 2,000 points, ITC, 3-round RTT. Let's go and check it out. Hey folks, this is Bailey here at the start of round 2 into round 1. I'm with Zach, he's over here on the left, and Matt is over here on the right. How's round 1 go, guys?
It was a good game. We went to time. I lost by 7 points, but it was close. One thing I had left on my board out of like the whole squad of shenanigans was Mortarian and Rodriguez. They did work. Centurions are scary. Don't worry about them. They don't do anything. They don't nuke a Magnus turn 1 at all.
What about you, Zach?
I just want to make sure I'm not trying to like.
It was a good game. We went back and forth pretty much the whole time. We ended up tying 21 to 21.
That's actually really rare. That doesn't happen very often.
Yeah, it was a tough game right down to the last turn. So
That guy was running the 3 drop pod list too, right?
Yep.
First time playing against those?
Yeah, it is. It was pretty legit, I guess. Dropping all of them turn 1.
That was 30-man Plague Bears.
Guys. Enjoy your game. Good luck to both of you. How'd the game go, guys?
I had a real strong turn 1, and then immediately had a bad game.
Well, no, it was good. So Magnus and Mortarian flew up the board, and then Magnus warp time Morty right up into my grill. So then I just had to dig my heels in and have my Leviathans do what they do and just shoot their way out of it. So then once those two were dead, I just started pushing up the board in true dirty Iron Hand style and erased things as I went.
Yeah, Centurions are gross.
Centurions are gross.
They're stupid gross.
Especially when they're swinging at Nurglin. Strength 10 against toughness 2. But yeah, no, good game. Very good game.
Glad you guys had a good time coming out today, and thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Folks, this is Bailey. We're here at the end of the Got Game Masters Tournament, and it's time for our awards. So, starting off in 3rd place is Carl. Yay! You get the Bronze Space Marine. It's the brand new one. It's the fanciest because it's from the new machine. So congratulations, Carl, in 3rd place.
Right on. Appreciate it. Thank you guys for having me.
No problem. Thank you for coming.
Hey, no problem.
All right. Aaron is 2nd place winner. You get the Silver Space Marine. Yay! All right. Finally, Luke, who just smashed all the minis.
That's why we can't have nice things, Luke.
Oh boy. Party foul. Well, now we know where all the store credit he's getting is going.
That's
and there it is. 1st place to Luke. All right, next are our community voted awards. And 1st place, and there's only 1st place for it, but for hobby, Blake, you had the most. You were the dude with the most, so you get the hobby hand of glory. There it is. And finally, for being the best sport, we have a repeat winner in Brian. He gets the Skeleton Cam Skull of Victory.
I don't win much, but I lose well.
There it is. So folks, just want to let you know that if you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and look at the description for finding out more about our events in Dank Wargaming and Got Game. Until next time, I'm Bailey reminding you that if your lists start to tank, then it's time to get dank.